Hi everyone, in this video we will see how to export data from Google Forms to Excel. Google Forms is a tool that is commonly used by students for their project work. It is used to create questionnaires and collect responses from participants. So if you're using Google Forms for your project, then this video will be useful to you. Here's a sample Google form that I had created. There's a question tab and this is the responses tab where you see all the responses that your participants have entered. So in order to download this data, you just look at these three dots and here you will find the download responses option. You click that. When you do that, it downloads a file. It downloads a file in a zip format. So this is basically a zip format. You see the zip archive, so I'll just have to extract it here. Now it has extracted the Excel form. If I double click it, and now it has opened the data in the Excel format. So this is the data from the Google Forms, which is now available to you in Excel. Now you can analyze this data further. You can create various kinds of charts and graphs out of it. So this is how you export data from Google Forms to Excel.